What was that?
Not so bad. Well, it's your dash cam one.
Sick, man. Fucking idiot.
Jesus Christ! Idiot!
Idiot.
Oh yeah, just blindly follow. It's cool.
I cancelled it or something and a bell end.
You're like, oh my god, the buses in this place actually work.
I was like, I am not climbing that hill every time I walk to uni. It's still Moulin Rouge, or is it something else?
No, it's still Moulin Rouge.
Needs a right turn only. What the hell?
Yeah, but there should be a car seat like Harris. Yeah, ghost in a car seat.
I know. Oh my god. Guys,
Oh my god, I had a horn on him.
seriously. Wow.
It's so bad.
Give me this dash camera. So, what's that? What's that? Ah, there we go. There's the blinker.
Out, mate. You went back in the back of that Mercedes. You alright?
Yeah, that's why you fucking wait, you dick.
But I love him lemon.
Jeez, that the light literally just turned. Okay.
Red light jumper.
With from. So that's interesting, isn't it? So. Oh, dearie me. What's that? 1, 2? Straight through, red light.
Yeah. Lights are just changing. There you go.
Yeah. So I just spotted the blue lights and thought,
You left that very late.
come on, come on, come on.
Mr. Speaker, as a former Secretary of State for Energy who granted licenses for oil and gas exploration, can I make a...
Pretty sure it's a one way. Oh, okay, we're just chilling there, are we?
Yeah.
On the double yellows because we can. Right. Wooden floor.
It wasn't so much that, it was that. No, that's a Springer.
Oh, yeah, Springer having a jump.
No, that's not a Springer, that's a Cocker Spaniel. That's a Cocker Spaniel.
That's a funny looking bus, isn't it? Ford Transit bus. Looks just some guy doing a bit of shopping that couldn't be bothered to park in a space, so decided to slap his hazards on and wait in a bus stop, blocking the road. Lazy git. Who needs indicators, eh? Who needs them? Light indicator? Nah, indicators are for losers.
Sorry, you want the door open?
An AC Ace. Complete with V6. Having had a P5, we now have a Rover P4, the Rover 100. And here we have Escorts, old and new,
Hello, Mick. How you doing?
We're doing fine, thanks.
Good. Good to see you.
And a Fiat Barchetta, which literally translates as little boat. Fancy a Mercedes SLK 2-litre compressor. And an XR3i convertible. And all you need to know. Now the garish Triumph GT6. And a little Austin 7. Here we have a Jaguar XK8. And a Dutton.
Alright. Grand Theft drinks machine. No. Sorry, did you want to reply to that one? No. Sorry, I didn't get that. Technology.